Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore version history in Google Docs. Okay, so here you can see I have a sample of Google Docs. So first you have to log in the Google Drive and then open the Google Docs and open the Google Docs file where you want to restore your version history. So first just open the Google Docs, go to the file, and here you can find the version history, or you can click on see the version history here, or you will see the direct link here. Just click on it, then on your right side the tab will be open. Now you'll find all history. I don't have much history because this is sample doc, so you can click on it and you will see the all changes on particular history. And you can also restore it by clicking this three dot option, and you can restore it. Okay, so if you restore it, the your history will be restored and you can save file. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.